Hey guys, do you want to know how to add nodes to your clips in DaVinci Resolve? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now first off, simply open up your DaVinci Resolve right here. And once you've done that, it was this color grading icon that is right here under. Now once you're there should be various color options where you can edit your clip. Now on the middle right here, you can see nodes highlighted. Simply click on it. Now here you can see your nodes section. Now in order to add new nodes, simply right click on it and then select add node. Now there are various nodes written right here. You can just select one of it. So I'll just select layer mixer and there you have it. Your node has been added. Now you can also connect it with this wire thingy right here. And that's it. Super simple and easy. Now your node has been easily added and you can also add log and delete node as well. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.